So let me tell you how I've ended up with this paint color. I've recently done a DIY project in my bathroom upstairs using this color as an accent color. So that I will be sharing with you very soon. So my intention was to paint in this bathroom in a nice pretty blue subtle color, and I said to hubby when he was about to paint, I said, you know what, instead of going out and buying more paint, why not use the remaining paint that we used for the bathroom upstairs? And that is how we ended up with this color. So we wanted to save a few bucks instead of buying more paint, and this is the end result. At first, I was like, I'm not sure, but after a few days, the color, it grew on us and we love it. I tried to keep it very simple and not too fussy because it's the boys that are mainly using this bathroom, and you know how it can be with men, which is my hubby and our son. He is back with us for a little while, and almost everything that you see here I pretty much had, except for the little pumpkin candle that was just purchased from IKEA. Everything else I've already had. Would have much rather the beadboard going in the vertical direction instead of horizontal, but hubby had to leave for a trip, and unfortunately we were in a bit of a rush and it had to be done this way. Sometimes you just can't get everything that you want. Okay friends, so before I bring this video to a close, as promised, let me take you out to the front porch and give you a sneak peek of our new living room furniture. Let's go. And here it is, guys, still in the boxes. Today is Sunday and this video will be going up in a couple hours. I'm hoping by this Tuesday we will have this all unboxed and start to decorate our living room for the fall. But I would also like to have my fireplace all decorated first, because we did a little bit of work there as well. We switched from gas to wood burning, and I really need to push forward and have everything, all my decorating done before the end of this month, so at least I can enjoy it for a bit.